Okay. Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little White House, and I just wanted to talk to you today a little bit about responsibility. My son is almost 3, but he has some things that he really enjoys doing. He really likes loud noises, so anytime that he can vacuum, he loves it. Now, here's another thing that he enjoys doing, is mowing the lawn. I think it has something to do with the loud noises. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay. You ready? Here. Yeah. Okay, there's a handle right back here, Seth. Anyway, I found that in our situation, it seems to be that the best thing for him to do is the things that he enjoys to do. So, if we can keep him focused on those kind of things, we keep him pretty happy all of the time, and he helps us out. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Now, I don't know how it works in you guys' life, but maybe there's somebody out there that has a kid who's full of energy and likes loud noises, and maybe this will be a good suggestion for you. That's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.